Hello traders, it's January 15, 2021 and it's a weekend Friday, so I want to share with you my weekend trading plans. But before we start, here are the disclaimers. Risk disclaimer for forex trading. Trading the foreign exchange on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. This is my own disclaimer. This content is for information purposes only and should never be considered as a professional advice. Every investor has a different risk tolerance and goal. Always do your own research. All investments have risk. Risk only the money you are not afraid to lose. Now my weekend trading plan will consist mainly of the pound cross pairs. So let's see first the pound yen. So as you can see here, the pound yen have tested resistance level here. Here. Okay. Since September 1, 2020. So now, as you can see, the price is going down. So most probably it will go down here, but our 50 EMA is still below the price. So let's see if this one touches here, then it will have a pullback. But definitely going to February, usually the pound is getting weaker. Okay, but again, you have your resistance here and then your resistance here before, which is now the support. So just check your lower time frames for trade entries. Next, we have the pound Canadian dollar. So here, as you can see, you have your resistance level here. Okay, here. So barely it touches that resistance level, then it went down. But like the pound yen, our EMA 50 is still below the price. Okay, so just check your lower time frames for trade entries. But this looks like a very strong resistance level here. Okay, like what I said, the pound after the new year usually gets weaker, but you know, the market will do whatever the market wants. Okay, so it's only our like guidelines here, but as you can see, it's a strong resistance level. And check your lower time frames if you're going to plan to enter a trade on this currency pair. And what else? Yeah, the support here. Actually, there is a resistance here also. Okay, it's a resistance level since 2018 October 19. Okay, then this resistance was broken and now is your support. So check your lower time frames if you're going to trade this next week. Next, we have the pound dollar pair, and let's see the history of this. Okay, so our pound dollar is, or have broken the resistance level here, and a new resistance was created here, so broke all the resistance. Okay, and our MI showing a strong uptrend. Okay, so it created a new resistance, daily resistance here. Okay, so what is the probability here? So high probability here is that your 50 EMA will be touched by the price, bounce back up, and then this will be like your here because of this high prices here since 2018. So that is the highest price. So it started at 2018 March 22, then April 17, 2018, that's the highest price, so that could be your target. Okay, but if this price makes a new resistance here, like for example here you already have 2 touches, okay, of the resistance level. I mean the price here was tested, okay, the price here January 4, and then it was tested again January 14. So another touch here. So let's say the price will pull back, okay, then will pull back here, then go up, and then tested the resistance and the price goes down. So this will be a strong resistance level. Okay, so again, check your lower time frames for trade entry, but like what I said, always I'm trading the daily chart only. But for you, if you want to trade the lower time frames, then this will be a good resistance level here. As you can see, you have how many touches in this price. Okay, let's see here. So here the price touched here, tested here. So 1, 2, 3, because the price reached that level, tested it, then went back down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, again the price touched, but it closed down. Then today, Friday, the price again touches there and went down, and the price as of now is still down. Okay guys, okay, our last pair for the pound that I will be monitoring for the coming days or next week is the pound Aussie. So pound Australian dollar pair. Okay, as you can see, the pound Aussie dollar has a different direction than the first pound pairs. As you can see here, all our previous pound crosses or our pound cross pairs is going up, but here the pound Aussie is going down. Okay, but here what I can see is that the pound Aussie is going up. What I can see here is that there's a strong support level here, okay, and then might be, see this one here, so this price from January 11, 2019, then you have here July 17, 2019, and then July 31, 2019. So this support level here has been tested many times, and again September 15, September 14, 2020, then again December 10, 2020, and then January 7, and now January 15. Okay. Now this support level is now becoming a resistance. Okay. And like what I said, if the pound becomes weaker, okay, during this coming days, especially when we are entering February, so there might be a chance that this support level, which is now your daily resistance, there's a high probability that a breakout will happen. Okay, so how many touches here for the resistance? You have 1, 2, 3, okay, and 4. Okay, but still there is a whole day today, Friday. If this price, okay, breaks through the resistance, okay, for next week, there's a high probability that this will create a lower low, like here. Okay, will bounce down, then started to climb up here, and especially if this resistance level here, which is previously the support, is broken, then you have a high probability that the price will go up until it reaches this resistance here. I'll show you. Okay, so there is a resistance here. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it for our weekend trading plan. So for the new traders, please try to learn about on how to find the support and resistance level. But usually the strongest support and resistance level are you can find it on the daily chart. I will show you. Okay, for example, if you really like to trade the lower time frames, which I really don't suggest, okay, that you do, I'll show you here. I will show you an example here. So let's just take this resistance level. So resistance level here has been tested how many times? So you have here 1, it started here, then 2, then 3, 4, 5. So let's just say we put some markers. So when we go to the lower time frames, we will see it. Okay, there, then here. Okay, so 1, 2 touches, it's a good resistance or support level, but if it's like 3, 4, then that is a very, very strong resistance level. So we have marked this one, and let's see, let's go to the 15-minute chart. If you want to trade that time frame, then let's search for our resistance. Let's see, because it was on the daily chart, so the resistance is here's the other one. here, this was on December 17, okay, and your resistance level is this white one, 1.78489, okay. So how to trade the resistance is that when the price reaches in that area, you basically will enter a sell position. So here, every time that price is get hit or near in that area, so sell. So here, if you have like 0.50, okay, here you have taken like $84, okay. Then again, the price was approached here, then you could have taken here like maybe 40, okay. Then the resistance was tested, then broken, then the price pulled back, so you should have at least a sell entry here, and then here you have around 200, okay. Okay, conservatively maybe $150, okay. Then again you wait, and the price was tested, broken, and then a pullback. Okay, here you have $40. So if you have waited for that price to go down more, you have 100, let's say 150 again. Conservatively, you have 150. Okay, so this is in 1 day only. As you can see how strong that resistance level. Okay, then you've waited, and again, if you have hold your position here, if you have a very good exit indicator and showed you this entry, so in 0.5 or 0.50 lots, you could have gained, let's say 700. Okay. 700 USD. Okay, that is 181 pips. So if your target was 100 pips, let's say here, 100 pips, it was hit. Okay, around $380 you have. Okay, again, you've waited for that price to get touched, I mean that price level to be tested. So here it was tested, pull back, and maybe you have a sell stop here. Again, there is how much? Around 200 here. You can easily close. Okay. And again here, it was tested. Okay. Here it was broken. Went up. For a short period of time, this resistance had become the support. But again, the price went down. Then tested here, and again, if your target is like 100 pips, 100 pips, yeah, 100 pips, you hit this area, you have again 390. Okay, and this is like for 1 day. Okay, so as you can see, okay, here you can clearly see that the resistance levels that you plotted in the daily chart is very helpful. Support and resistance level in the daily chart if you want to trade the lower time frames. Okay, so for the new traders, please practice and try to learn how to properly find support and resistance level on the daily chart. It will really help you on your daily trading or intraday trading on the lower time frames. So that's it, guys, for this weekend trading plan. Thank you very much, and have a good and profitable trading week ahead of you.